In today's video, I'm going to teach you Quick Guide. Delete a product in Shopify. If you've ever created a test item or published something by mistake, tidying it up is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it so you can keep your inventory clean and focused. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to the Products section. From your Products list, click the item you want to remove. This takes you to the Product Details page. Now, don't stop at the top. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. Shopify tucks the red Delete Product button down there on purpose, so it's not clicked accidentally. When you see that red button at the end of the page, that's the one you want. Go ahead and click Delete Product. A confirmation window will pop up, and this part really matters. Deleting is permanent. Unlike archiving, which simply hides a product from your storefront while keeping all its data in your admin, deleting wipes it from your store entirely. That includes the product title, descriptions, images, pricing, and SKU data. Once it's gone, it's gone. There's no undo button for this action. If you're absolutely sure you no longer need this product, click Delete Product again to confirm. Shopify will process the change and refresh your product list. You'll notice the item has disappeared right away, leaving your dashboard and inventory list more organized. This is especially helpful for clearing out old tests, duplicates, or items you never intended to sell. If you need to remove several items at once, you don't have to open them individually. From your main products list, check the boxes next to each product you want to remove. Then look for the Bulk Actions menu at the top of the list. Choose Delete Selected and confirm when prompted. The same permanent rules apply here, so take a moment to review your selection before you confirm. It's a fast way to declutter a large catalog without clicking into each product page. A couple of quick tips to avoid mistakes. Double-check the product title and variants before confirming, and consider using filters or search to narrow down exactly what you want to remove. If you think you might need the product data later, archiving is a safer option than deleting. That's it. Clean lists, focused business. With a few careful clicks, your Shopify store is now officially decluttered and easier to manage.